Welcome and thank you so much for visiting my channel, Passive Income for You. My name is Jeffrey Meheji, and I'm truly honored that you're here today. What I want to do is just let you know that we're going to be talking about financial, time, and location freedom with all the different content that I put out. If that's something that interests you, then I definitely urge you to hit the subscribe and the bell notification so that you're aware every single time new piece of content comes out that can help you increase your revenue in your specific situation. We're going to be using affiliate marketing as a vehicle to accomplish our goals, as well as other different strategies. So if that sounds interesting to you, or if it sounds like something you'd like to learn, then I highly recommend, again, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're always alerted every time a new piece of content comes in. And I encourage your participation, whether it be sharing your thoughts or asking questions. All that helps all the members in the community, and it just creates more value for the information that's being provided. So I look forward to learning and growing with each and every one of you guys. And I just want you guys to go out there and make it a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.